My name is Silvia Alvarez. I am one of the members of the organizing committee of Euromembrane 2018 conference, and we have chosen Valencia Conference Center to organize this conference because of the very, very nice building. It's impressive. The rooms are perfect. The location is perfect as well, very close to the airport, very close to the city center, very well communicated, and all the aids in the building are fantastic. The rooms are perfect, the size is excellent, and especially I would like to thank the help of all the staff of the conference center because they are enthusiastic, they help with everything, they are fantastic, they are friendly, and they help us with everything. Our experience here with the conference has been wonderful. Everything has been fantastic, and I have only to say thank you to the Valencia Conference Center for the perfect help with the organization of the conference from the beginning. The support was excellent, and the building is really beautiful.